I hope everybody's doing well. So this is the little lidded box that I made for the video last week. And I wanted to show you something real quick if you hadn't seen the video yet. So I made a little error and made this hole too big. So what I did is I went ahead and turned an insert to go in it and then glued the threaded ring into that. And it's actually worked out really well. It's a nice accent ring. And I had talked about in the video, I'll put a link down below if you haven't seen it yet on the Facebook page. So I talked about maybe doing an insert for the lid as well, and this would help with getting the threads, not the threads, the grain to line up when you close it all, because they would be inserts inside of there that are glued in and that are you need to spin to line everything up, and not the actual threaded ring, so there's less chance of getting your epoxy on those. So ran out in the shop and I made a set. So this one's out of maple, and so I just made a little ring with the insert already in it, put that little shelf right there in it so that I could put it in there. So what I'm going to do is make another box, glue this part into the base. Here is the one for the lid. Same thing here, but on top of it, just made it flat. So what I'll do is put a little bit of wood glue right there. After this one sets up, I will thread it together, and the wood glue is just going to be up in here. It's not going to be on the side, so there's no chance of it, locking itself together. And then you just screw it down tight, and this will actually spin inside the lid. As you're turning the lid will spin. You can line the grain up, let it set up, and then unscrew it. So I think this is a great way to add some detail. It's a really nice bit of detail there with that walnut ring. Do it in contrasting woods, even do it with like a resin material or anything you want. I think it's just a nice little touch, and I think it's going to simplify lining everything up. All right, hope that helped, and we'll have a full video out here in a few weeks on making another lidded box with those, using this type of insert. All right, take care.